Yeah. Hello, friends. Very good evening. Hope you all are doing fine and you're all taking care of your family members. To remind you once again, friends, someone who hacked my Facebook profile pic and trying to demand some money. So please be careful. Don't put any money into that account. Coming to our discussion, friends, this is my almost eighth day of my 30-day challenge on live from Facebook. So in this challenge, I was discussing different topics. So in this journey, I started discussing about our book called The Secret. Secret is a book written by Rhonda Byrne, and a lot of inputs have been given in this about this book in the last session. We also discussed about the gratitude, the giver formula, gratitude, imagination, visualization, exercise, and reading. So giver, person who gives, is successful nowadays. So here, friends, I also want to discuss something more about this topic. In this book, the the author has told that if you want to attract money, focus on the wealth. It is impossible to bring more money into your life when you focus on the lack of it. If you focus that I don't have money, if you say like this, use this such kind of a word that I am lacking of money, then by default, as we have said, we have discussed in the earlier session that if we focus on lack of money, the nature or the ultimate your mind will take as if that you don't want money. So always think of abundance of money. Think that you are enjoying the money, you are already achieved your goals and targets, and finally you will be seeing that in your hand. So dear friends, the secret, the law of attraction says that your mind, the subconscious mind, is unbiased, and whatever you feel and whatever you give to it, it will take it directly. You give negative also, it will take it as a positive. So start talking positive. If you take start talking negative, you will get negative results, and if you start talking positive, automatically you get positive results. So anybody you are looking for money, start thinking about that as if you have achieved that money, as if you have earned some money, as if you are a crorepati. Then automatically things will start moving in your way, and you in a short time you will get the roots and you will become a crorepati. Feeling happy now is the fastest way to bring money into your life. Dear friends, nowadays everybody we are stressed out with something or the other. Once you start believing in yourself and start feeling happy, by default, you will start getting money and you will start welcoming money into your life. So always try to be happy and peaceful without any. So don't fight with anybody. Don't argue with anybody. Please be happy. Try to be very cool in the mind. Automatically things will go very positively. The tip, the balance of your thought will tip the balance of your thoughts to wealth. Think wealth. The tip is always think about the wealth. Visualize that you are having the wealth in your hands, and imagine yourself as if you are the richest person. You can go to our old Richie Rich books, the cartoon book. In that, the Richie Rich is always imagine that he is the richest person. Here also, start feeling like that you are the richest person. Automatically, things will start moving in that direction. This is called the placebo effect. You should start believing in your thing. Again, friends, I also want to discuss about when you want to attract a relationship, make sure your thoughts, words, actions, and surroundings don't contradict with your desire. Suppose you want to have a attract a good relationship with your wife or with a friend, then whole your body, mind, soul, words, action, whatever you say something and you think something, that should not happen in your life. You should always think whatever you are saying, your words, your mind, everything should go in one direction. Automatically you will attract or you'll get your things, or whatever you desire, it will happen. If you contradict in your thinking, automatically things. Many a times what happens, we talk something outside, but we think something in our mind. That should not happen, friends. Always your body, mind, and soul always should work on one direction. Automatically, whatever your dreams are, that will come true. And treat yourself with love and respect, and you will attract people who show you love and respect. First of all, start loving yourself. When you love yourself, you and respect yourself, automatically the whole world will start loving you and respect you. Always we say that, like, I am good for nothing, I don't know anything, I am not perfect. If you think in this kind of a mentality, you are not going to attract, you're only going to attract nothing in the life. So but always you love, first start loving yourself, feel good about you, feel happy about you, automatically the whole world starts loving you. Okay? That's why you should always dress up, groom yourself properly, and people will start respecting you properly. Focus on qualities you love about yourself, and the law of attraction will show you more great things about you. Always, every person has some good qualities, so focus on your good, whatever you are good at. Automatically you'll also get into that things. Friends, this book is an amazing book. I personally recommend to many of you. Please do either read the book or audiobook, or at least there is a movie on that also. Please watch the movie also. The placebo effect is an example of law of attraction, friends. Law of attraction in action. How we can do that? Like, when a patient truly believes the tablet is a cure, he receives what he believes and is cured. Many a times when you go to a doctor, the doctor, after diagnosing the problem, talking to the patient, and finally he gives a medicine. And once that medicine is taken and he feels that, like, this is the cure for my problem, and when he consumes the medicine, many a times doctors use this placebo effect, where if the disease is not because of the health issue, it is of the mental issue, where the mind is not working for a person, then if they give that white tablet, it's called placebo, with that the feeling, the patient gets, the patient, whatever the problem is, gets cured. So this is called placebo effect in action. Focusing on perfect health is something we can do all within ourselves, despite what may be happening on the outside. Very important step. Focusing on your perfect health. When you think that I am perfect, I am healthy, something that you can all do, we all can do within ourselves. We can just think like this, that I am the healthy person, I don't have any problem, I am the perfect person, I am healthy person. Again, no using I don't have, I am not. Always use the words I am healthy, I am happy. Automatically you will get that things, you will attract the things in your life. Laughter attracts joy, releases negativity, and leads to the miraculous cures. When you laugh, try to do the laughing therapy or join some laughter club. That will always attracts joy in your life, and it relieves the negativity, and you'll feel happy. Do not listen to the society's message about disease and aging. Negative messages do not serve you. Very important, friends. We always get carried away with the negative messages. Nowadays you have seen a lot of negative messages are coming in the market, and very young people, with the afraid of the negative messages, are scared of these things and living their lives. Otherwise, this disease of corona is easily being controlled if the mind is under your control. People who are scared are getting more affected. People who are not working in the field, who are always sitting and seeing all the negative news, are getting more affected because of this negative thinking. So these are the most important things, our friends. So do not listen to the society's messages about diseases and aging. Negative messages are do not serve you, it won't help you anything. Similarly, friends, many other good points, which some of the points I'm trying to summarize for you. When you resist, you attract, because you are powerfully focused on it with emotion. To change anything, go within and emit a new signal within your thoughts and feelings. You will never run out of good things, because there is more than enough to go around for everyone. Life is meant to be abundant. Always think positive, think abundant in your life. Life will go abundant. Praise and bless everything in the world. Praise and bless everything in the world, and you will dissolve negativity and discard all. Align yourself with the highest frequency in love. Friends, these are the book words which I am studying or reading out for you. They are from the book called The Secret, which is the most sold book. Okay, and if you follow this 100% positivity, and whatever you want to achieve in your life is damn sure going to happen, and it has been tried and tested by many people, many authors, and many people in this world, right from the beginning, from Thomas Albert Edison until Elon Musk. Elon Musk is also a big follower of law of attraction, and today he is the richest person in the world. He always follows the law of attraction. Whenever he thinks about coming out with some new thing, he always believes in it and start believing. He will conceive in his mind, he believes in it, and he asks the nature, and things are going very positively. He wholeheartedly admitted that he believes in the law of attraction and starts working on it. So I'm again trying to bring the same thing to you through this channel, and trying to talk to you about this thing. So dear friends, once again, please try whenever you get a chance, try to go through the video of The Secret, or see the audio, or at least read the book. It is a wonderful book once again. So thank you very much, friends. With this, the insight of the book Secret, I already covered almost the most part. Some more leftover will be covering tomorrow, and we'll go forward in our journey of middle class to a millionaire. The journey in this, we will be further discussing about how to control our mindset, what are the steps, exercises, what we need to do day by day to come out of the negative mindset and bring ourselves into the millionaire mindset and start working towards the journey. Wish you all the best. Thank you. Hi Sujan. Thanks for watching me.